Oh guys, how's it going? Wow, Bitcoin taking a dump and then reversing very fast with a pump up in the market. I just updated our buy limits. Guys, we're getting very close to actually taking some more wins over here. So you guys know we're currently set at 109 wins and 0 losses on this channel. We've never lost a trade. I'll show you guys actually how to trade with us because our membership's actually going up in about 24 hours. So make sure you guys snag that in the second half of this video. It's in the description. But guys, let's talk about Bitcoin. We ended up hitting very oversold levels. I'll be showing that to you guys with the metrics here, but we are seeing this pump back up here. Some of these other coins in here, you're up 7% on AVAX, up 9% on Solana. The market is coming back. Also taking a look at the VUG, the Vanguard Growth fund over here, the ETF. That thing just smoked up super fast here. We see a jump here. This is literally like a 4-hour candle, about in 8 hours or so, about a 6% jump here. So this is very, very bullish and very good for crypto. So let's take a look at this a little bit more. The trend dashboard here, looking at what retail traders are looking at, their RSI, Stochastic, and MACD, they're all bullish. If we can start getting the 50, 100, and 200 moving averages to start becoming bullish as well, which is a green arrow up, this is going to be a sign that we could start moving up into a little bit of a bull market. Do you guys see what happened right here with the trend line that ended up getting broken here? We broke above this, and this is something I've been looking for, a break above this descending resistance here, right about this 38,500. We end up breaking that, and now we're officially above here. So everybody who ended up taking short trades on this is now panicking because they're back up to their resistance. Okay, let me explain what I just said there a little bit. Everybody who came out and took short trades over here, which I'll show you guys through the metrics, they took them right around this area. If they have not exited, guys, they're back at structure highs where their stop losses were, and they're getting stopped out already. If not, maybe switching to long trades, and we could see this pump up even higher. So this is a very bullish sign in the market. Take a look at this. Price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion. Well money flow getting very high up here. Trend exhaustion, however, we're still catching up here at the bottom, and we're sitting in the middle. This absolutely has more room that it can head up to the upside before we start seeing it move back down. I would say the next target we're looking for is this ascending resistance, which puts us up here at about $42,000. That is not unlikely to maybe push through on Sunday because today's Thursday. It gives us 4 days for us to push up there. Now, we are definitely let's not take this out of view. Since the well money flow is high, we need to be looking at what's happened in the past. Well, what's happened? When we get up here, we are seeing market reversals, and we're seeing the wells actually sell out of their long trades and dropping the market back down. We see this when we're in higher levels, we're dropping back down. Those of you guys who have these indicators, good job. You're able to predict these markets and make a ridiculous amount of money if you're shorting or going long. So what I'm watching for next, and we'll go over the metrics here, is for the well money flow to get a little bit higher here and trend exhaustion to be up here as well. When these sync up together, guys, listen, when these sync up together, that's where I'm looking for the drop back down. This is already seeing a drop because I believe we're hitting this structure resistance here at 40,000. It's a whole number, and we're probably going to see a drop here. Any break above 40,000, a retest, and then a move back up is extremely bullish, where that's where we're going to be targeting previous structure highs at 46,000. And next week, we may see a bull turnaround to about $46,000. Let's take a look at the metrics now. Coming over here, guys, just so you know this, just be fully aware of this. In about 24 hours, we're going to be upping our membership here from $49 to $95. So make sure you guys come over here and snag this. You're going to get access to all the charts, every single one of our trade setups, all my entries, all of the exits I call, access to all the master classes, the Inner Circle, Telegram, all of that, guys, you'll get access to. Make sure you secure a spot today. We are literally upping this in about 24 hours. So don't miss your chance to get in over there. Go to crypto charts, come down here, click on Bitcoin charts, and let's dive on in. This is fresh data updated this morning. We hit the fearful section in Bitcoin, but when we hit fearful, what happens? Market moves come back up. When last night I was talking about this, Ukraine and Russia. Russia sends missiles into Ukraine's capital city last night, and the market drops. The futures end up dropping. The ES2 exclamation mark. So you guys can watch this. The ES2 exclamation mark. You guys can watch the futures data over there. It dropped last night. I had my parents over watching this. This morning, we're seeing a very nice rebound, which is very bullish for the crypto market as well as for the VUG, for stocks as well. When this gets fearful, I'm telling you guys, this is where Wells institutions are going to buy and drive the price back up, and that's what we're seeing. Take a look at this ridiculous metric over here. Short trades absolutely skyrocketed yesterday, which was right around here. But the thing about this, though, is we saw long trades increase as well. So we have a bunch of people coming out saying, I think it's going to go down. Then you got a bunch of people saying, no, I think it's going to go up. So the tug of war began. And what we're seeing right now is kind of both parties won if you exited correctly. Short traders who exited at structure low here did a great job. Those of you guys who entered back in when trend exhaustion was low here and you saw the well money flow coming down here as well, not a bad place to get back in the market for a call back up. And you guys can see that with these indicators. So this is right now, honestly, I believe this is more of a bullish pattern than bearish because we see that's already broken this descending resistance as well. Let's continue down here and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade here. Market cap strength. We're seeing the price of Bitcoin go down, but the market cap is staying the same. Very bullish. This means that usually when the price goes down, people take their money out of that coin, meaning that they're putting their money somewhere else. But what's happening is people are keeping their money in Bitcoin, even though it's going down, means confidence is in the market for Bitcoin to turn around. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that, guys. That's strict data that's not going to change. This is on-chain data over here, looking at the actual market cap of Bitcoin relative to the entire market. This is bullish for Bitcoin. All right, trades in favor, guys. We pushed down into the good long trade. Great job for everybody. And look, this metric called it before we started heading back up. I want to make this very clear, guys. Our metrics are calling things before they happen. That's why we use them. That's why we make good money with them. This said, down here, look for that good long trade. Guys, match this up. Good long trade coming down here with the trend exhaustion low, with the well money flow heading down, guys. You know this is a good place. All my scalpers out there, great job for those of you guys who took 3 to 4%. You easily made profit this morning on that trade. Well, in institutional smart money, institutions continuing to buy this dip over here, and that's what they're doing. And you guys who have your buy limit set up, that's what you're doing as well. Our break-even entry is at 46,088. We're only 15% away from entries here. And even trades like Matic, Mana, and AVAX, those are going to be our next winners, so watch out for those. And I'll call out when I'm getting into the next trades, because those are probably going to be our 110th, 11th, and 12th win in a row. All right, a couple more metrics here, and we'll get you guys into a trade setup. Resistance, where is this bad boy going to go if we keep heading up? It's 41,600. That's where I'm really looking for as far as a move back up. Let's take a look at 41,600. Place us right about here at the structure high, which is also basically past support. So getting up here is very important. Why? 2 reasons. Structure as well as an ascending resistance line. So that area right here at 42,000 is very, very important. When we get here, most likely trend exhaustion will be up here. So you guys have money in Bitcoin. If you want to look to take some profits, I would do it at $42,000. Or if you were sitting down in front of me and I was coaching you, I would say, not financial advice, 41,000, about 900, 41,900. Get out before 42,000. That's a strong level that people are going to be looking to short. I would get out before then and take some profits if you guys entered into some of our trades down here. Great job. You guys definitely making good money on that. Dollar cost average entries. What a ridiculous entry you guys got over here for dollar cost average entries. You guys literally got in at the bottom over here before it started heading back up. Maybe the lowest price you'll get. Maybe for the rest of the year if the market starts turning around. So great job for those of you guys who got in over there. Guys, all these metrics, start using them and start making money. Exit points here, and we'll get into this trade setup. Next time the market goes back up here, we're going to be looking for that red line, and then we're going to be looking for the move back down. We don't have that yet, but watch that. Death Cross is currently active for Bitcoin. We need the 50 to move above the 200-day moving average, and then that will be a golden cross, but we're not there yet. We got to watch that. All right, let's dive straight into a trade, guys. Here's what you guys are going to do. These are updated for today. You can see this saying 224. The entry, let me just make this a little bit bigger because I'm going to see if you guys actually got picked up on this today, is, let me get this over here. Let's pull this over. The entry today that you guys were looking for is 34,536, so 34.5. All right, it's a little bit lower than where we're at right now, but 34.5 was down here. 34.5. Some of you guys probably got picked up on this because we got down to about 34.3. So 34.5, you guys probably got picked up right at that level, and you guys are in the profit. So great job for those of you guys who did that. If you guys want to join trading with us, this is exactly how you trade. Choose the amount that you want to enter in each of our coins with. Let's just say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, $250 each. Place the $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow, okay? 250, 250, 250, 250. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit in green for 100% exit. I have a video that explains this if you guys watch this at the bottom. Very, very easy to follow. Very, very simple, okay? After you guys have your buy limit set up, follow me in Telegram, and I'm just going to call the exits for you guys. I know this is like, Travis, you're not my financial advisor, but literally, I'm calling all the exits. So if you guys get into a trade right now and just wait for me to call the Bitcoin exit, you guys will do ridiculous. You're probably going to experience, if you get in right now, even the guys that got in lower this morning on the buy limits, I'm not going to exit this until we're at structure high here. So you guys will probably do about 42% on this one trade if you just get in, use the buy limits, and you follow me when I call an exit in Telegram. It's that simple, guys. Don't overcomplicate trading. We've never lost a trade, and this is how you guys can trade with us. So the Telegram access will give you guys access to all of that over here. So last but not least, guys, let me tell you about this real quick, the indicator sale we've got going on. If you guys want the indicators, this is what you need to do. Come over here and snag them. It's 82% off today. You guys are going to be getting this on sale. It's in the description. What you guys really want to get is the price per swell, money flow, trend exhaustion, and trend dashboard. These are the 3 that I use every single day. I'm not going to take them off my charts because they're just working so well for us. We predict tops with these. We predict bottoms. We predict market moves. This is how we've actually exited all 109 wins in a row and never lost a trade. Bundle pack, you guys are going to get this. It's a one-time purchase. You guys get the source codes, you get the indicators for life. Same price you're going to pay for these 3 is basically the same price for the bundle pack, and you get all 9 of these. So just secure that today for yourself so you guys have this for life so you can start trading with us and follow these trades as I call them out in Telegram, because I am going to be using the trend exhaustion. You guys can see it right here. I use the trend exhaustion and the price per swell money flow to exit this 109th trade. So understand how I'm using these, use them on other cryptos, and so you guys can trade for yourself if you would like. If you want to just strictly copy every trade I'm taking, literally exactly every trade, get a membership over here at tradeconfident.io literally today so you guys can actually get in here before the prices go up tomorrow. Get in here at $49 a month, get into the Telegram channel, and just follow the Telegram channel. The next calls I'm going to make is going to be an exit, most likely on Avalanche, and an exit on Mana. And then when I enter back into Avalanche and Mana with my portfolio of around the $150,000 over here, which is actually not looking too bad, $126,000 what we were sitting at. So we went from 126 and now we're currently at, we should be a little bit higher. Okay, so about 126. Sorry, that has been updated because we were at about 113, 116 earlier. So up about $10,000 in the last 12 hours or so. $10,000 in 12 hours, not too bad. 150,000 is break even. So those of you guys who want to follow me, I know a lot of you guys out there who are like, I'm brand new to crypto. Travis, I just want to copy everything you're doing. I want to never lose a trade again. I can't guarantee that, but literally just follow in the Telegram channel and I'll tell you exactly what to do. And as long as you guys have a membership in the indicators, you can copy exactly what I do every single day. And we have never lost a trade, and we have the healthiest account on all of YouTube that I can find. And we're going to be in the profit here pretty soon. Okay, guys? All right, God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing day. The link's in the description for the bundle pack and the membership is there. Snag it. Get it set up. Don't miss that, guys. Overall, we're looking at this bullish momentum up. Watch 42,000 to be a drop zone. But if this continues, guys, I wouldn't doubt if we actually hit 46,000 this next week if the bullish market continues. If not, it's just back down to 35 to test support and then probably going to be a bounce there. So, guys, this is looking bullish. I like this. Let's see where we go in the next few days. I'll see you guys later. Everything you guys need is in the description. Email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com if you guys have any questions. All right, see you guys. Bye-bye.